Welcome to the Orion floor plan. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Standard with a 3-car garage is 3,036 square feet. It has a beautiful courtyard in the front. And let's go in. We have the big open great room with the big doors, multi-sliders in the back. That gives you indoor-outdoor living, which is so nice here in Arizona. We have our pop-up ceilings here with the beams. We have a dining room, kitchen. Nice pantry here. The primary bedroom. Bathroom, ensuite. Nice big walk-in closet, 0 entry shower. So this home normally comes with an open dining room, but it is an option to close it in into an office. 2 secondary bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath in the middle. This is a multi-gen, which you can add to at least 4 of our floor plans. This is a living room. The kitchenette comes with a sink, a dishwasher, and a beverage fridge. Then you've got a bedroom, a bathroom, and its own washer and dryer area. If you opt to not get the multi-gen, it will be a game room, bedroom, and bathroom. So off the great room, we've got a powder room for your guests. We have our bench and lockers, and we have our laundry room. We do offer pet showers for those animal lovers. This model, we opted to put the beautiful Ramada, which is our outdoor kitchen, which can be added to any floor plan. All of our lots have amazing mountain views. Going north, you can be to Flagstaff in an hour and a half and to Sedona within an hour. Now let me show you our attached RV garage with workshop included. This would be your workshop. And then your attached RV garage, which has the same 12-foot door in the front, comes with it. You can upgrade to a 14-foot door, and you can get a 14-foot door in the back. It's a great option up here at Arroyo Norte.